class. We have a lot of interest in hustle, so it was a lot of fun. I taught the hustle being slotted, and we did from an open release position, the follower staying on track for quick, quick, slow, slow. Then we took the partner back out for quick, quick, slow, slow. Talked about leading more with the body as opposed to pulling with the arms. And we do that again. We're going to do a shoulder check this time for quick, quick, slow, slow. And then we quick, 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 we send her out. So let's take that from maybe a different position here, different angle. So we'll have quick, quick, slow, slow. So I'm keeping Beth on the track here. So just we'll go over that one more time. We have quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, shoulder check. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Now from here we traded places. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, pick up the hand. And as ever doing the turning, you just want to remember, as leader here, I'm just coming around and picking up her hand there. So I'm just keeping shape towards it. So one more time, that whole part there. Oh, we have one more thing. Yeah. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, shoulder check, quick, quick, slow, slow, change places, slow, slow, quick, quick, and come around. And here we did an open two-handed hold, the wheel, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. And we did one more just to start it over in a different position. We're going to have quick, quick, release her through, and now we're right back to the beginning. So that was all right. I'm going to try one more time. Let's do it from a different position. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, shoulder check. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, trade, quick, quick, pick up, open, hand hold, and release through, and back to the beginning. And that was our class. Thank you very much. A wheel or an open two-handed basic. Quick, quick, slow, slow. And from here, you're going to take the girl's hands above the head for quick, quick, slow, slow, and change into sweetheart position. Then she'll do her quick, quick. You're going to send her out. You're under your left arm, slow, slow. From here, we did was a double wrist catch. And you're going to come up with the right hand, breaking on the right hand here, and then opening up to catch both wrists. So from this point, you want to use more your right hand to do the wrist break. And it's all an illusion. So we have from here, quick, quick, slow, slow. And let's try that from a different position here. Maybe they can see the hands here. So we're in this position, so we're going to go quick, quick, slow, slow. So all I'm doing is breaking through here, grabbing her wrists lightly on top. Now you're going to send her back through under my left arm for quick, quick, slow, and you're going to change hands here, slow. So let's do that much. We got that much coming here. Now let's take it from a different angle so we get that in. So we have quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, change above, quick, quick, send her out, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, out she goes. And all we're doing is changing hands here. From this point, you're going to take her into hammerlock for quick, quick, slow, slow. And you're going to do quick, quick, bringing her around into the turning basic, slow, slow. So let's do that one more time here we'll do it from the top. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, arm break, slow, slow, quick, quick, change, hands, quick, quick, hammer lock, over the head, slow, slow, sorry. And when she went, no, when you don't leave that, that's what she happens, she goes a different direction. So we'll do that again from here. And let me just explain from that hammerlock position, when you're in this hammerlock here, it happens kind of quick because you got to make sure you catch her on that second quick turn. Quick turner, slow, slow. And then you're just releasing and coming up on the back into dance position. So you got to kind of catch her on that second quick. She won't make the turn like I didn't lead last time. So here we go. Ready? And quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Over the head, quick, quick. Take her out. Into the wrist, Change hands, quick, quick. Hammer lock, quick lead. Slow, slow. Turning basic footwork. Okay?
Here's the whole combination of what I taught. Looks like this, and then I'll walk you through it. It went quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Head loop. Send her out, quick, quick. Bring her across, quick, quick. Bring her across and catch. Rotate again, quick, quick. Loop. Belt loop, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. That's kind of the combination. We'll walk you through it. What happens is we start here, basic double-handed hold here, cup and pin, and we go quick, quick. And the man crosses in front, brings the lady the hands low, and just travels around. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, travel around. Got it? Now we go quick, quick, lift the right hand, bring her in for a head loop, slow, slow. The man goes quick, quick, back. Quick, quick, slow, slow, sends the lady out, quick, quick. And he changes sides, slow, slow, quick, quick. Change sides, quick, quick. Now we start again with the rotating basics going, whoops, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, loop the head, quick, quick, send her out, releasing the hand there. He's got me here, and we're going to travel back, and he's going to come through, fixing the hand, slow, slow, and on this quick, quick, he's going to come in counterclockwise, traveling through, placing the hand, quick, quick, slow, slow, catching here, right hand to right hand, quick, quick, travel behind, quick, quick, send her across. And we did several of these.
So, and I started with just an and one count. You can start with a 1, 2, or whatever. We did and 1, 2, 3 to bring the lady behind us. Then we did and 4, 5, 6 to bring her out to the side. We did and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 to bring her back to a closed position. And then, as we did initially first, the next thing that we did was the same thing, but we did with a different spin at the end. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. All right? And then we added to that by doing a continuous spin from some walks. Those walks were just to move you on the floor. So we did and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1. Remember, guys, we did a nice right shoulder back turn there. We used the rock forward on the and 1 to catch the lady. Then we did a spin back the other direction for the lady for 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1. We caught her and finished with that spin we did earlier. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Guys, you have the option of spinning. When I do this all the way through here, I'll show you some of the options that you can do. So from the beginning, it would be and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Shit. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And that was everything. Thanks for coming to the class.
Guys, we start off in a right angle with our partner. We do an and 1 to start. We do a push step, push step. The ladies do a rock step and she pushes forward. Push side for the guy, push forward for the lady. We do a basic throw out from there. 2, 3. And face each other. So guys, our basic footwork is this. And 1, step across, 2, 3, facing our partner. We're going to do it again. And step forward, but cross back to your rail. 2, 3, and 1 again. Girls, your footwork is like this. And push, 2, 3, and push, turn right, and face back again. Okay? So again, the way that looks is like this. It's and 1, 2, 3, and back to each other again. So basic throw out in the hustle from this angle. And 1, bring the hand down, gentlemen. Keep it low, and she'll come right back into place, just like that. All right, next thing we did was we did a throw out, but instead of bringing her right back into close, I present this hand, she picks it up, and we just bring her over to the side. So same exact concept. She's going to open up more, and we're actually using two hands instead of back to close. So again, the way that looks, we do a basic throw out, pick up the hand, send her this way. Notice my right hand comes down, left hand comes across, and one, and she over rotates. Notice as the girl does her rock step, that she turns her shoulder and body with the rock, then she tucks left to turn right. She over rotates, and one, tucks left and back, okay? So it's here, and one, she goes out, and one, tucks left to turn right. Same thing from this angle, we'll show you from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, rock step, 2, 3, side rock, ball change, side rock, just like that. So guys are getting up on the rail and then right back in her slot again. The next move we're going to do, I'll show you from this angle, is a face loop. From two hands, it's and 1, 2. Notice she tucks left, the left hand comes down, right hand starting to come up. 3, the arm just goes over, her hand just goes over the face, just like that, and drops there at the shoulder. Ladies, relax this arm. Gentlemen, bring the hand over. She goes 2, 3. Now from there we just do ball change. Guys do side rock. And 1, we drop the right hand, lift the left hand, we create a little window there. She goes through the window and out again. Okay, the way that looks. And 1, 2, 3, and 1. She goes out through the window, turning to her right. From this angle. And 1, face, loop, and 1, she turns, and 1, bring her back in. Okay, from there, actually what we're going to do from there is we're going to do a simple guy goes under, girl goes under. So what we're going to do from here, gentlemen, is he's going to go under, and 1. By the way, guys, you're facing her in the slot. You're going to move to the rail to get out of her way. You're going to lift the hand up in front of your face. You're going to turn left, 2, 3. Not getting too far away, the hand comes down. For a second, she does an and 1. And 1, the hand's just going to come right in front of her face. So we don't move across the slot here, guys. We keep her slot open, and she's going to turn right. 2, 3, and 1. Again, the way that looks, guys, is and cross. He goes under to the left, and 1, she turns right, and 1, we bring her back in. When we bring her back in, the hand is messed up. We're on hands on top. So as she comes back in, let the hand rotate all the way around, back to closed. Okay, that was our first amalgamation. It looks like this. And 1, 2, 3, and 1 side to side. And 1, 2, 3, and face loop. And 1, 2, 3, and guy. And girl. And bring her in. Second one is we do another throw out. And 1, 2, 3. We pick up this hand. We release this hand though, and we do an explosion. We do the explosion on the and 1. She's going to turn on and 1. She's going to start her turn. She'll do 2, 3, and be ready to do a push turn. Let's show you the girl's footwork first. She does an and turn, 2, 3. She doesn't get all the way around, but she uses the push turn and push. What she's doing is she's pushing herself right back down the slot again, and then coming back into closed position, 2, 3. Guys, all we're doing is this. We're going and 1, we're moving across the track, 2, 3, picking her up, and 1, stepping across the track, 2, 3, back to closed position. So with a partner, from this angle now, we'll do and 1, 2, 3, and turn, pick her up, and 1, pick up this hand, she brings that arm up. On her and 1, the arm unfurls up, comes up, opens up to him, he picks her up, right back into closed. And we do a left turning basic. From this angle, it's and 1, we send her out, and 1, we pick her up, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. All right, the final step we did was an inside turn. We did and 1, turn, turn. Notice I move all the way across the slot. She has her push, turn, I move this hand in front of my face, I step through, actually I turn and 1, 2, 3. So again, the way this looks, it's and turn, 2, 3, and turn, 2, 3, and 1. From this angle, an inside turn, and lead, 2, 3, and turn right, gentlemen, and 1. And right back to closed. So the entire second amalgamation looks like this from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and turn, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and lead, 2, 3, and turn, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1.